Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we are going to show you how to assemble 20-watt diode laser based on Endurance technology. So we have a few pieces on the table. We have two aluminum housings on the left, two heat sinks on the right, two fans, one aluminum plate, a few screws, and thermal paste. So this video is very similar to 10-watt laser assembling process, but we want to make sure that you will not miss anything. That's why we decided to make a fully detailed video. So we take this small aluminum piece so that will actually hold our fan, and we show what to do and how to do. Okay, we need to screw it. So in this video a lot of things will be duplicated, so will be the same thing as for 10 watt, but at the end we'll show you the key difference. So how to set up laser with aluminum plate and focus two lasers in one spot. Okay, so we have a small hole on a heatsink, and this hole will be used at the final stage. Screw it and make it very tight. So both are ready. Okay, let's move to heat sinks. So we take thermal paste. You may use any thermal paste like CPU thermal paste that is using to cool down your processor, and do not worry that you have a little bit more. This paste will be removed when you screw it, but it's very important to increase heat conductivity, and you insert in the maximum. So you take laser collimator and install it almost the maximum way you can, so you just only have lens outside. Okay, so one is ready. We do the same exercise for second one. So these heat sinks were made in Endurance Metalwork, with Endurance Metalwork team. They are having very good heat conductivity, and we use 4 M3 25mm screws. So we need to screw it very accurately. Okay, so we do it quite accurately. So will probably take some time. Do not worry, you are welcome to listen to music and enjoy an entire process. I'm sure you'll like it. Okay, now we do it very tight and fixing it. Okay, almost done, and we'll do the same job on a second. Okay, let's put the lasers with in parallel, because we need to make sure that we do not miss, and also add some thermal paste for heat conductivity. So external aluminum housing now is used as an additional cooling system, so that's why we use it, just to make it as cold as possible. Okay, let's put it in the center. Okay. Okay, let's screw it. We'll remove some thermal paste. We have a few holes here and there, so for this aluminum plate. So one is first is ready. Let's do the same thing with the second one. Nothing's actually interesting here. Just need to be very careful. So these heat sinks and aluminum housings are made here in Endurance. So, and we deliver them as DIY laser kits. So if you want to do everything yourself, shouldn't be a big problem. However, it will require some experience, knowledge and desire to do this. I like actually our community. A lot of people like to do things themselves, and most of our followers are quite knowledgeable and experienced with that. Okay, so we have two lasers ready. Okay, now we need to move laser wires outside, because then we'll solder them with laser box or laser control board. And now we need to insert the fan inside. Okay, let's move it here. Okay, almost ready, and now we need to cut wires. We don't need them anymore, so now cleaned up, because later on we need to solder it. So in this jack we have longer part and shorter one. Shorter is for plus, bigger is for ground minus. And we do mechanical connection before we do soldering. Shouldn't be difficult at all. We take flux, solder, soldering iron, and some magic. So okay, so getting better. we fix it. Take flux. Some solder. Okay, we're done. So now you need to fix this power jack inside. So you have a ring and you need to screw it. Shouldn't be difficult. Shouldn't be difficult. However, this is a bit time-consuming procedure. Okay, install the fan and screw it. So this is 12 millimeters M3 screws. So this one laser is ready. We can check it out. With 12 volts, just 1 amp will be enough. Just to make sure that's working. Let's do the same thing with the second one. Just absolutely the same exercise. Doing all right. So almost ready. Flux, solder, and once again. So not difficult at all, just have to be patient and like what you do, because at the end you'll have dual double beam 20-watt laser. Also, let's take 12 volts and check it out. How does it work? Just to make sure that the fan is working properly. Okay. So fan is working. Okay, and the final lap. So we take this aluminum plate. Okay, so this is back part, and here we take M4 screws. So these screws will allow you to change Z axis. So you'll be able to move your laser a little bit up and down. Why? Because you need to get two beams in one spot. This is for regulation and being able to tune the laser, just to make sure that you have both beams in one spot. So you take two lasers, and now we need to find these two holes, and now we can screw them together. We use M6 screws for that. Almost ready. So this is our entire construction. So let's take and make it fix it. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to tell you to share. So two lasers could be beamed in one spot, but make sure that once you set up focal range, once you set up a perfect laser beam intersection, that should not be changed. So when you cut it, just make sure that you do not change that axis, otherwise they will not beam in one spot. So that's pretty much it. So I think you'll handle it and you understand how does it work. Hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Have a wonderful experience with 20-watt endurance laser. And if you have any questions, just email me gf@endurancerobots.com or text me +7 916 225 and visit our website endurancelasers.com or endurance-lasers.com. Thank you. Bye bye.